Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Alacritty package is not available on base Ubuntu repository, so you can install it via importing PPA repo as follows. Run the command below to reflect on PPA. Then install Alacritty as shown by running the following command. You can search on the system search bar or by icon in your server. Alacritty will launch as shown. Here you can use everything what you need. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Alacritty on your server. If you have any question, leave them in comments.